Grab your combo now. Includes golden, crispy fries and our irresistible spicy sauce. Taste the legendary rotisserie chicken that's been winning hearts in Western Australia for 15 years, juicy, tender, and packed with authentic flavor. Loyal fan Pirolo Comuniti says, always juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor, thanks to the King Ware eco-friendly rotisserie oven. I even installed it in my food truck, and it doesn't heat the workspace. Plus, I save 7 kilos of charcoal for every 40 chickens. After nearly 10 years, the quality is still unbeatable. Hurry! Never serve undercooked or dry chicken again. King Ware, manufacturers and exporters of eco-friendly rotisserie ovens for charcoal grilled chicken. Smoke-free, no extractor hood required, preserves flavor and protects the environment. Dual function, cook with charcoal or gas. Perfect cooking in just 55 minutes, golden on the outside, juicy on the inside. Save from day one, uses 50% less charcoal than other ovens. Full vision tempered glass door with interior lighting, easy mobility with wheels and one-finger smooth door opening. Infrared burners and a digital thermometer for precision, plus, it includes baskets and a rack to roast not only chicken but also beef, pork, fish, guinea pig, rabbit, and more. An investment that pays for itself, fast.
Al costado vemos una rejilla totalmente en acero inoxidable que es para hornear los pollos abiertos, como lo hace México o otros países, pero también podemos poner lechón, pescado, chorizos, de acuerdo a lo que deseamos. Entonces, esta belleza, que es una inversión de recuperación inmediata, es el horno para pollos a la brasa, modelo ecológico, King Ware. Gracias.